Hello students, welcome to the next lecture of body fluids and circulation, and here in this lecture we will discuss about blood group and ABO incompatibility. In our previous lectures we had discussed about the different types of blood groups. Next one is the ABO incompatibility. So here we are going to discuss about ABO incompatibility. Now what is the exact meaning of incompatibility? Incompatibility means when the two different types of blood groups or the blood is having different type of blood groups are getting mixed with each other, then what type of reaction is going to take place? That is called as incompatibility. Clear? So here, when the situation of incompatibility arises, there are mainly two situations. First situation is during blood transfusion, and the second situation is mixing of maternal blood with fetal blood. Okay, so here the two situations were there. First situation is during blood transfusion. The case of incompatibility may arises, and the second situation is mixing of maternal blood with fetal blood. Clear? So this is the next situation. Here we are discussing about both of the situations separately, and first of all we have to discuss about the first situation, that is during blood transfusion. In our previous lecture we had discussed about one case of incompatibility, that if the donor is having blood group A and the recipient is having blood group B, blood group O, and vice versa, which type of reactions are getting takes place in their body. Here we are going to discuss about another example, that is, I am talking about the first situation. So here is situation 1, that is during blood transfusion. If the donor is having blood group B, okay, this is having blood group B, and the recipient is having blood group O, then which type of condition arises? So here we are going to discuss about this situation. Here I'm sorry, here is the body of recipient. This is the body of recipient, and we know that recipient is having blood group O. It means blood group O, it means there is no antigen present in the blood group O. So antigen is absent here, but the antibodies are present. Both of the antibodies, that is anti-A and anti-B, both of these antibodies are present in the blood group O. The plasma of this blood is having both the types of antibodies, and the RBCs are free of antigen. There is no antigen. Now the donor is with blood group B. Okay, so it donates the blood. It is donor, and this is of blood group B. It means on the surface of RBC of donor's blood, B antigen is present. So there is antigen B, and in the plasma A antibody are present. Clear? This is the situation. Now what will happen when we transfuse the blood of B blood group to the recipient's body, which is having the O blood group? Clear? This antigen gets bind with its opposite antibody, that is anti-B, which is present in the plasma of the blood group O. So here antigen A and antigen B and antibody B are going to react, and the reaction which is going to take place, that is antigen antibody reaction. Clear? So which type of reaction is going to take place? That is antigen antibody reaction. The antigen is coming from the donor's body and the antibody is coming from the recipient's body. So here antigen B from donor's body, antibody B from recipient's body. Clear? So the reaction is going to take place. Now what will happen during this reaction? The destruction of RBC is going to take place. What is the result of this reaction? Destruction of RBC. And when the RBCs are going to destruct, the increases the concentration of bilirubin and biliverdin pigments. When the RBCs are going to destruct, this will leads the increase in the concentration of bilirubin and biliverdin pigments, and the situation which arises is jaundice, because bilirubin and bilirubin pigments gets deposited in the body and they causes jaundice. And the second situation is anemia. Due to the destruction of RBC, anemia is going to take place. So in this condition, when the antigen antibody reaction is taking place, then this type of reaction is going to take place, and these reactions may be severe. Clear? So here the patient may suffer from jaundice or anemia. Next, the reverse situation is there. Clear? In next case, we are going to reverse the situation. It means the donor is having blood group O and the recipient is having blood group B. Clear? The reverse situation is donor is having blood group O and recipient is having blood group B. So this is the body of recipient, and on the surface of RBC of recipient's blood, antigen B is present. So here is antigen B and antibody A is present. Clear? The donor is with blood group O, so it is the donor, and the RBC of donor does not have any type of antigen, but it has both the antibodies. Clear? The antibody A is going to react with antibody A, then no the harmful situation is there, but again the reaction is taking place between the antigen and antibody, and antigen B is going to react with antibody B. So here again the antigen antibody reaction is going to take place. Clear? Now what will happen? Again the destruction of RBC is there. So the situation arises is destruction of RBC and increase in the concentration of bilirubin and biliverdin pigment, and it causes anemia and jaundice disease. But in this case, what will happen? In this case, the reaction is very milder. In this case, the reaction is very milder because the antibodies are getting inside the body. Clear? when the antigen is entered, the foreign particle, that is antigen, is entered in the body, then our body produces antibodies, and the antibodies which are always already present in the body is going to react with that antigen. But when the antibody is getting entered in the body, in that case the reaction is milder. So it is more convenient to donate the blood group of O to any of the person, because O blood group is having neither A nor B antigen, but it is having both the types of antibodies. That's why O blood group is called as universal donor. Now, it is very efficient if the B blood group is donated to the recipient of the B blood group. It is the most prominent method. Now, if the same type of blood is going to transfuse, but in case of absence of same type of blood, we can donate only the blood group of O, because in the blood of O no antigen is there and both of the antibodies are present, and the reaction between antigen and antibody in this case is very milder reaction, which does not cause any harm or more harm to the body. Clear? So this is the ABO incompatibility case. In our next section we will discuss about the another type of incompatibility case. Thank you very much.